One of the biggest challenges companies face when creating strategies to improve the customer experience is the lack of benchmarks. Without a clear point of reference, it's hard to know whether you're on the right track or falling behind compared to others in your industry. That's why Yellow Tokens created the Project Store. To access it, click Project Store in the top menu. There, you'll find ready-made projects already configured with companies that are benchmarks in your segment. And the best part, you can subscribe to multiple ready-made projects at the same time, allowing you to compare different segments and leading companies. To view the project details, click Learn More. You'll find a description of the main topics analyzed in the feedback, as well as a list of the companies included in the project. If you'd like to subscribe to the project, just choose the subscription period and click the Acquire Project button.